Hey everyone, and welcome to the School of Breath Science community area. I just wanted to create this video to give you a little bit of a insight of how this works, how to get yourself around the community space, and just to give you some ideas of what to expect in the coming year 2025. So we all have a big vision for the School of Breath Science, being a leader in education, trying to raise the standards of scientific understanding in the breathwork industry itself, but also a secondary component of this is still to make it so we're serving the public. And you can see as we jump into here, there is a public space. So the public school is going to be an area where students and people who are a part of the community, a part of completed the breath science certification, can help assist and host events such as breath sessions, meditation sessions, reflective sessions, deep rest and relaxation practices to allow the world in general to live a healthier and happier life, living more connected, more meaningful, and to understand themselves. So it's not just about education. It is a area that I do and we do want to serve the public. So what you will notice is you will arrive in a situation, and down the left-hand side here, if you're on the desktop, is going to be the spaces. So we have the welcome space, which is where I will put this video, and we'll have announcements in there. And this is where you'll start. Then we have the public space area, which is a completely free area where anyone can join this and anyone can kind of see where we have the student events. At the moment, we don't have any going there, but we will get them going soon. Looking to do bi-weekly breath sessions. And then there's a public chat where people can kind of have a conversation between each other. Then there is an area for the interns who are on the breath science certification and the alumni, so they can ask questions about the breath science certification. And I will be posting regular resources in here as well as information such as scientific journals or new pieces of news, anything related to the breath science certification. And then we have our paid areas. And these paid areas is the community space, which is 69 Australian dollars per month. And in there is a breath science fundamentals course. There are our live sessions where we will be hosting Journal Club monthly, and we'll also start to host workshops within there as well, that some of our lead practitioners and some of our alumni can actually host some events inside there as well. We've got the video library where all of the masterminds and all of the videos that I create and all the Journal Club are recorded and are put into here. And this is the access to all the resources that you really need to continue your learning. Or if you're an individual who's interested to go on the breath science certification and be a part of the school, but isn't quite ready yet, but you want an introduction, this community space is great for then having a look at these videos and to get an idea. I've got some workshops that I've done over in New Zealand here. I've got online workshops, and there's lots of the 90-minute masterminds, as well as some guided videos that I will create and will continue to create that will go in there as well. What we will do as well, some of the recordings from the public school, as long as they do not have music that is copyrighted, we can also record those and put them into the video library. And that is just going to be ever growing. So for $69 a month, that is a well reasonably priced area to jump in as a step into the next step of maybe your learning or your education. And obviously, of course, there is a discussion amongst the community in here as well, where I will just let people know about new events. I will drop the paper in for Journal Club, and we can stay in contact there. The lead practitioners area is something that the individuals who are have been chose to kind of support the growth of this school. We'll have meetings and we'll have a chat in there. And then there is our mastermind area. And the mastermind area is where you can access live masterminds, and we can access. So we have had an intention goal setting meeting. We've got PTSD. In the past, we've had oxygen, looking at making someone the most oxygen efficient human. We've had case studies going on there as well. And obviously there's a Q&A in this section as well. So that is 150 Australian dollars a month. As a part of the breath science certification, you have access to both the community space and the mastermind for 6 months during the training. And then to continue the education, if you complete the course, you get a discounted rate to continue that. And if you're an individual who maybe has a history of quite a few qualifications in breath work and have a decent understanding of breath science certification, you might also want to look at getting involved in this mastermind section as well, which gives you access to all of the areas in here. So if you're an individual who would like to get involved in a public school, or perhaps you're a breath coach who wants to get involved in the community space and join our journal club of masterminds, check out the links below and I will pop both the links so that you can either join us in the free circle space or you can join the paid community space and make yourself known, say hello. We look forward to seeing you in there.